natural disasters and climate change on the event channel, you are welcome. Golf ball-sized hailstones hit parts of the Valencian community in Spain. A destructive hailstorm, with hailstones as large as golf balls, ravaged peach crops in Spain and resulted in a tragic incident where a baby lost their life after being hit by a giant hailstone during the rare storm. The unfortunate incident took place in the town of La Bisbal de Empordà, where the 20-month-old girl was with her parents. More than 40 individuals were also treated for injuries caused by the fierce storm, which brought the largest hailstones, measuring up to 11 centimeters in diameter, to the region since 2002. The hailstones caused extensive damage to cars and buildings in the area. According to Carmval, the mayor of La Bisbal de Empordà, the hailstorm lasted for only 10 minutes but left behind a trail of destruction and terror. The extreme weather conditions continued in parts of the Valencian community on August 27, with the municipalities of Moixent and Fontanes del Alforins being hit by the hailstorm, covering the ground temporarily in white with hailstones as big as golf balls.
L'estona que ha passat i aquestes pedres encara es conserven així, mare de Déu.
¡Ha roto! ¡Guala, tío! Me cago en la... Me cago en la puta, tío.
Subscribe for more videos. I wish you good times. Goodbye.